Hey everybody, Monty Reed here, and I'm just showing you how to prep some hamburger when you buy bulk, how to make your own hamburger patties. You know, there's those frozen patties that are kind of tiny that you've probably seen. You know, they come in you know, this freezer package. And, you know, they work, but look at this. You know, they're like this, and then when you cook them, they shrink to about half the size. They're tiny. So if you like a real burger, then you want to, you know, make your own. And so you look at this, it looks the same, but of course you can see how much taller that is when you do it yourself. And of course, when it is larger, then it doesn't shrink as much. And one of the things, if you try to make a large burger like this, flat, it'll end up bowed like a biscuit. And so you just put an indent in the middle, and so they look like a bunch of little cups, like you would see strawberry shortbread cups. And so we push it down in the middle, and then you've got the edges. So then when it shrinks, basically when it cooks out, instead of being up on the edges, it'll end up being flat. And so as far as just the right angle and depth, you have to experiment with that. But give that a try, and you will find it works out pretty well. And as you know, I love Chef Todd Leonard's pit seasoning. You can buy it directly from him, or you can get it from Thrive Life as Chef's Choice. It's the same amazing seasoning. And then what I do is I put it on wax paper, and then I'll just take this and fold it over, and then cut this, and then freeze that. And since there's 3 of us at home now, we just do sets of 3 burgers. So that's a quick tip on how to do your own hamburger patties for the freezer. We'll just stack these, and then we'll put them in a Ziploc, like a gallon Ziploc bag. So the wax paper is just so that they don't stick to each other. And then, of course, the Ziploc will help to keep it fresh. I use the freezer Ziplocs. So now these can freeze. And when we go to cook them, you can cook them just like you would the normal frozen patties. The difference is, of course, they're not going to shrink like those other ones. So there you go. There's just a quick tip, something that's easy to use when you buy bulk hamburger and then make your own patties. You freeze them for later because one of the things I found is if you make these patties and you throw it on a barbecue grill, a lot of times this meat will fall apart or stick and fall through the cracks. But by freezing it, you throw a frozen burger on the grill, it works a lot better. So that's my quick tip for grilling your own burgers and making your own from bulk. This is Monty Reed for YouTube. Have a great day.